Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on this Ram 2500 Limited. It's still a brand new truck. It's only got a few thousand miles on it. The owner wants it completely detailed, and we're going to UV protect it from the sun along with a full interior. So if you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, that way you don't miss any future videos like this. Also, let me know what you think down in the comments. And yeah, enough of me talking. Let's roll some before shots. Alright, so as you can see, we got some blooming on the tires, nothing crazy. A little bit of dirt on the running boards there, and significant amount of bug traffic on the front end, and also the mirrors as well. So we'll do what we can to get that off of there. Also the interior, just regular foot traffic. Like I said, the truck's only got a few thousand miles on it, still in new condition. Just gonna spruce it up. And like I said, as I mentioned before, it is new. With that being said, we're trying to get this thing looking as perfect as possible. Not that we don't do that normally, but just try to get it as close as we can. So we'll start off here by getting the bed washed out, and then we'll give the truck a good rinse and start on the wheels. Alright, moving on to the wheels, I'm using the APC that's diluted 8:1, and then an assortment of brushes to get those clean wheel barrels, and also a fender well brush to grab the fender wells. Alright, well now you see we got the truck foamed down. Start washing from the top down. You can see here I ended up purchasing a mitt that has a stick attached to it, basically, just for us shorter people such as myself with these taller trucks. Keep in mind, guys, we want to make sure we get in these tight places your mitt don't get, inside your gas cap door, any emblems, grills of that sort, and also window seals. You'll see me, I grab these with a horsehair brush as well, just because those are tight paces that get really cruddy at times. Alright, so while the truck's drip drying, we'll hit these with some APC, agitate them with a brush, rinse them off, and get them ready to go. Alright, moving to the interior, we'll go ahead and move all the bulky items, anything, floor mats, trash. I have two separate bins. I put the trash in one. Anything that I think is valuable to the customer, I put it in a different bin to give it back to them safely. Alright, now that we have all the floors and seats vacuumed, we'll take this time, and I'm using Chemical Guys Silk and Shine to cover all the door panels, UV protect them from the sun, the dash, and also we'll be conditioning the seats as well. Alright, that's going to pretty much wrap up the inside. We're going to move back outside to the paint. Go ahead and get it UV protected with a nice coat of wax using a DA polisher. Should give it a nice shine and protect it for up to 4 to 6 months. Alright, that's gonna pretty much wrap it up for this video. We're gonna put some tire shine on and roll some after shots. Let me know what you guys think, and we'll see you on the next one.